This is the Global Economic Commodities Scrap Metal and Recycling Report by our Bentley Roll-Off Trailers and Lugger Trucks, December 20th, 2021. U.S. weekly crude steel production rose to 1.818 million tons. This was on continued economic growth and imports that are hurting domestics. WTI crude oil price fell to $70.86 a barrel on a lower demand forecast. Also on the slowing of the global economy. The U.S. weekly oil production was steady at 11.7 million barrels per day, 1.4 million barrels less than 21 months ago. Oil companies remain committed to profitable growth. They are keeping production low to maintain higher prices. The U.S. weekly oil rig count rose to 475, about 40% less than 21 months ago. Rigs are increasing slowly to maximize cash flow. Scrap steel number 1 HMS price was steady at $465 a gross ton. Price is forecasted to fall in January. Hot-rolled coil steel price fell to $70.06 per hundredweight, which is $15.81 a ton on slow demand and good supply. Copper price was steady at $4.29 a pound, off the recent 10-week low. This was on China's slowdown and U.S. interest rate concerns. Aluminum price rose to $1.22 a pound on low inventories, improving demand, and less aluminum production in China. There was a major U.S. Federal Reserve meeting last week. They reconfirmed slowing the printing of money and said interest rate hikes would start in 2022. The high inflation is forecasted to be lower at 2.6% in 2022. Also, U.S. economic growth is forecasted to be 5% this year, 2021, and 4% in 2022. Note that the 2 years pre-COVID, GDP grew at an average of only 2.6%. U.S. November NFIB Small Business Optimism Index. It rose to 98.4 from a 7-month low, but expectations for the next 6 months were down due to supply chain concerns. U.S. November industrial production rose 5.3% versus last year. Manufacturing was the highest since January 2019. Manufacturing increased 4.6% and mining jumped 9.2%. U.S. December Home Builders Index. It rose to 84, the highest since February on strong demand and low inventory. U.S. November retail sales surged 18.1% versus last year. Massive spending is causing supply shortages and inflation. Wall Street's Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 606 points to 35,365, remaining extremely high. Near record stocks and 401ks is one of the reasons it's tough to hire. High 401ks are allowing people to retire early because they have a lot of money. Gondola trailers by Bentley, 48-foot or 53-foot, or custom sizes. All are made of hard ox, which is light, high-strength steel. Call us for a quote. As always, feel free to call or email me with any questions, and we hope all have a safe and profitable week.